Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we learned this keyword, right? What is this keyword? Why we use this keyword? And we understand some of the coding part, like practically we understand how we use this keyword, right? Quickly, I'm going to tell you, this means it is a special keyword we can say, right? This means it is a special keyword we can say. Why we used means if you want to refers to the current object, right? If you want to refer to the current object, so that time we are using this keyword, right? Means if you want to call the methods or constructor present in the same class, right? If you want to refer some of the variable, right? That time we are going to use this keyword. Means this keyword means it is a special keyword we can say, and it is going to refers to the current object. We can say that one, right? So where we are going to use this keyword means in variable. If you want to refers to the, if you want to resolve the variable shadowing problem, that time we are going to make use of this keyword, right? If you want to call the another constructor in the same class, that time you are going to use this keyword. And if you want to call the current class methods, that time you are going to make use of this keyword. And if you want to pass the objects as an argument, that time we are going to make use of this keyword. If you don't know about these concepts, go and check my playlist. You will get the video and you will understand that one in a better way. And so let's go to the next topic, that is a super keyword, right? Super keyword, why we are going to use, what is a super keyword means it is also a keyword. Super means it is a keyword we can say. Why we used means if you want to refers to the parent class, immediate parent class, if you want to refers to the immediate parent class, that time you are going to make use of super keyword. Super keyword, super, why we are going to use means super is the keyword we can say. Why we are going to use means if you want to refer to the parent class. Let's say if you want to, okay, what is super keyword means it is used to access the members variable method constructor of the parent class. You will understand the definition in a better way. I'm going to explain here. Let's see, let's take here. Okay, I will increase the, yes, and I'm going to change the color. Okay, see here, we will take one class here. This is the parent class we will take, and here we are having a one more class called as a child class. See here some of the variables are there, some of the methods are there, and some of the constructors are there. And here also, here we are extending the class, we are extending the class, we are extending the class extends, we are extending the class here. Okay, it is not a proper, okay, here we are using the extend, I'm going to write this much. We are using the inheritance concepts here, and here some of the variables are there, and some of the methods are there, and some of the constructors are there in the parent class. Here in the child class we are having a variable, and we are having some of the methods, that is here we are taking from the parent class and we are overriding that one, that is a method overriding we can say. And we are also having some of the constructor or something. All right, let's take here also you are having some of the variables, and here you are having some of the variable, right? Here also method, here also constructor, method, constructor, like that you are having. Here you are creating the object of that class, and you are trying to access the members. Say let's take you are here writing something. Okay, then here some of the variables are there, right? We will take inch. Okay, here we will take inch a equal to, we will write to 10. Okay, okay, here see we are having one variable int a equal to 10, and here if you want to means if you want to take the variable, or if you want to show that variable in the console, if you want to show the value of this variable. Let's see, if you want to access this one, if you want to access this variable, if you want to access this variable, how you are going to call it means using what, using super keyword we can access this variable that is present in the parent class, that is present in the parent class. If you want to access that variable, we are making use of super keyword. See, I am going to tell you where we are going to use the super keyword. So let's take here, I will write it as a 1, and here when we are using the super keyword means if you want to access the parent class variable, right? Here you are written int a equal to 10. If you want to access the parent class variable, that time you are making use of this keyword. I'm going to tell you how you can access that one using super keyword. I'm going to write just access the variable present in parent class. Then here I'm going to tell you how you can access that one using here using super keyword, right? Super dot which variable you want to access, which variable you want to access, which variable a, right? Variable name you should give here, right? This is how we are going to access the how you are going to access this is how you are going to access the parent class variable. That time you are making use of super keyword. Let's take another case when you are going to make use of the make use of super keyword. Let's take here, we will take another case when you want to access the method. Let's take you are return one method. So let's take you are return one method called as we will write here, okay, called as we will write here called as something we will write what, okay, hobby. We are going to write here hobby. You are having a method in the parent class. Okay, here also you are taking that method and you are changing that body. I'm going to tell you, let's take it is a parent class, it is a child class. In the parent class, hobby is like reading the newspaper. Then here you are changing the body. You are not going to you are not having the hobby of reading the newspaper. Then you will override that one, like you are playing something, you are playing a shuttle, or you have some other hobbies you are going to mention there. You are changing the body of that one, you are overriding that one. If you don't know what is the overriding, go and check my playlist. Okay, you are change that hobby, right? You are tell that like a playing something, right? You are going to tell playing something in the hobby, right? If you want to, here you are overridden. If you access the hobby method, here what you will get, here you will get a overridden method, which is that one. You will get that one, right? If you access like a c dot hobby method, you access what you will get a overridden method, right? If you want a original method, that is returned in the parent class, that time you are making use of what? Super keyword. That time you are making use of super keyword, we can say. Let's I'm going to write here. Okay, second scenario where we are going to use means, okay, second scenario where we are going to use means if you want to let's take some child class is there, parent class is there. If you want to access the parent class method, Dutch method is okay, I'm going to remove this part. If you want to access the parent class method or original method, I'm going to tell you original method. If you want to access, that time you are going to make use of super keyword. Let's take you are having one method in the parent class. Okay, you are using the concept of inheritance and you are changing the body of that one. Means hobby method is there, right? You are changing the body of that one, means you are overriding that one. And after overriding that one, if you want to access the original method that is present in the parent class, if you want to access that one, you are making use of super keyword, right? You are making use of super keyword, I'm going to tell you. Okay, I think so you understand the second case. Okay, still not, don't worry, while we are doing a coding part, you will understand in a better way how you are going to access that one. Means using a super keyword dot which method you want to access, means which method. Here hobby method, right? Hobby method we are going to write hobby method. Hobby method, here you are going to access that one using a super keyword. Here super means it is going to indicate to the immediate parent class whichever you are having. Let's take you are having a child, immediate parent class, which one having, right? Immediate parent class, which one? Here this one, right? it is going to indicate here. It is going to access from this class. We can say that this is a second class. First class is the, if you want to access the variable that is present in the parent class, that time we are making use of super keyword. If you want to access the method, means if you want to access the original method present in the parent class, that time you are going to make use of the super keyword. Means here you are not getting a original method because you are overriding that method, right? In the third scenario where we are going to use means, let's take one scenario. Let's take you, I told you here you are having a constructor, right? Here you are having a constructor, and here also you are having a constructor. If you want to access the constructor of the parent class, if you want to access the constructor that is present in the parent class, that time you are making use of super keyword. I'm going to tell you once again. Here you are having a constructor. Let's take, if you want to access the parent class constructor, that time you are making use of what? That time you are making use of super keyword. Let's take here, I'm going to write you, okay, I'm going to tell you, if you want to access the parent class constructor from the child class constructor, from the child class constructor to, if you want to call the parent class constructor, that time we are going to make use of the super keyword. This is about where we are going to make use of, making use of what? Making use of super keyword. Simply I'm going to tell you what, how you are going to call, means just you call super, just if you call this one in the parent, in the child class constructor, you are going to access the constructor that is present in the parent class. Let's go to the coding part, and we will execute that one. You will understand in a much better way. So let's go. Okay, here we are going to create a one class. Okay, first we will take how we can access the variable that is present in the parent class. Means how we can access the variable that is present in the parent class. Simply I will take a parent. Okay, then I'm going to finish this one here. Okay, simply I'm going to give one variable int a equal to 10. I'm going to give, and here I'm saving this program. Let's take one more class called as the child. Okay, let's take here, we are extending the extends what parent, right? So after that here, let's take we will give as a int what, we will take a same variable int a equal to, here we are going to give a 20. Then here we will give one method, we will give void show. I'm going to give here. Then after that I'm going to give some sentences. Here I will give child class number, whichever you are having, yeah, right? And here I'm going to here take the same sentence, and I'm going to tell here parent class number. If you want to access that one, I told you how you can access that one using a super, right? Using a super keyword you can access super dot, which one? Super dot variable name, yeah, right? So save this one, and I'm going to create one more class called as okay, super main. Okay, then click on public static void main. Okay, here I'm going to create a object of the child class c equal to new, and here the child. Then after that here c dot I'm going to call method right show, right here show. Okay, save the program and let's run. Which one you will get? See here, child class number is 20, right? Parent class number is 10. How you are going to access the parent class variable using super keyword, super dot variable name, right? Yeah, this is how we are going to access the parent class variable. This is a case 1, right? This is a case 1, accessing the variable present in the parent class. Then see the second case where we are making use of what? Where we are making use of super keyword. So let's go. So here already I have a animal class, I think so, animal. Okay, here we are having a animal, and we are return one method here, right? Void sound. Here we are given animal makes a sound. And let's take we already created a dog class in the previous class, so here we are overriding the sound class, right? At override is the annotation, make use of this one. So I told you why we need to make use of this one, right? So we already created one more class called as here we are created, right? Okay, I'm going to remove this part. Directly I'm going to give you dog d equal to new dog I'm going to give here. Then see here, okay, I'm going to tell you, see here, we are having a animal class. In the animal class, we are written some of the method, right, eat and sound. And here in the dog class, we are overriding the sound class. We are using the inheritance concepts here, extends animals, right? We are inheriting the some of the methods that is present in the animal class. And here we are overriding the sound, right? If you want the original one, if you write here d dot sound, right, what you will get, whatever overridden method is there, that one you will get, right? Dog is barking, original method. If you want a original method of sound, how you are going to call that one means use. See here, you are calling d dot sound, right? If you call this one, what you are getting here, dog is barking. If you want the original one also, here you are calling a sound, and here you are printing this sentence. If you want the original method also be get printed, here sound method is there, animal makes a sound, right? Animal makes a sound. If you want to print that sentence also, what you are going to do means here, what you are going to do means super dot, we are calling that method. See here, you are calling the parent class method, right? Parent class method, that is the sound method that is present in the parent class. We are calling this one. So let's run and see here, dog is barking, animal makes a sound, right? This is how we are calling the method that is present in the parent class. So this is the case to we understand that one. See here, this is a case to access the parent class method, that is the original method. If you want to access that time, you are making use of super dot hobby, or we are given super dot sound, right? So let's take a next scenario. Access if you want to access the constructor of the parent class, how we are going to call that one. Here I'm going to write a what constructor here for the dog class. Okay, and here I'm going to tell here as a child class constructor. See, I'm run this one. So let's child class constructor dog barking and animal is making a sound. So here we are written one constructor, right, animal. And here if you want to call that constructor, if you want to call the parent class constructor, how we are going to call it means here in the child class constructor, in the first line, how in the first line you should mention that one. So we are calling using a super keyword. Here this is how we are going to call the parent class constructor. See here in the child class constructor, if you want to call the parent class constructor from the child class constructor to parent class constructor, if you want to call that one, you are making use of super keyword. And in the constructor, in the child class constructor, first line you should mention that one. If you want to call that one, you should mention in the first line. So let's save and let's run the program. So see here, this is a parent class constructor, child class constructor, dog barking, animal makes a sound. This is about how we are calling that one. So let's remove this part and let's run again. This is a parent class constructor, child class constructor. This is how we are going to call the constructor. This is about a super keyword where we are going to make use this one in the variable. If you want to access the parent class variable, then you are making use of super keyword. If you want to access the parent class method, then you are making use of super. And if you want to access the constructor that is present in the parent class, then you are making use of super keyword. And let's take a difference between the this and super. We understand this keyword in the previous class. In the today's class, we understand the super keyword. So let's quickly understand the difference between the super and this keyword. So let's take here this keyword why we are using. If you want to access the current class objects, that time you are making use of this, right? If you want to access the means if you want to refers to the immediate parent class, that time you are making use of super, right? It is refers to the current class object. This if you use this one, this keyword, then it is going to refers to the current class itself. Here if you use the super means it is going to refers to the parent, immediate parent class object it is going to refer, and it is used to access the current class variables. If you want to access that one, if you want to access the methods, and if you want to give the object, right? If you want to give the object current or class object, if you want to give in the argument, that time you are making use of what this, right? It is going to access the super keyword. It is going to access the variables and methods to call the constructor within the same class. We are making use of this, right? If you want to call the constructor, that is means parent class constructor, if you want to call that one, we are making use of super. And here common use means inside the constructors and methods we can use the this keyword. And here in inheritance concepts, that time you are making use of what, super. You should, if you want to make use of super, then you should inheritance concepts, you should follow you. If you extend that time only, you can make use of super, right? So this is about this keyword and super keyword. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. See in the next. This is the most important. I'm going to tell you, this is the most important keywords in the Java, and it is almost used in all the projects, and it is also asked in the interviews also. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. See you in the next. See you.